left in the entire world.
It's tasty, I think I'm gonna shoot it. Don't you dare, people like you are the reason they go extinct. Hunting these poor creatures down
And free, yeah. I'm gonna do my own thing, Tyrone, no. These haven't been sighted in over 3 years. As far as we know, it could be the last one. Cool should taste quite exquisite, then stop this. You are threatening to potentially end thousands of years of evolution. I can't let you do this. But if they evolved properly, they wouldn't be extinct, would they?
Please, I'm begging you, if you let it live, I'll send you 5,000. Send the money first, and I'll consider it.
Please,
Let me think about it.
no, what is wrong with you? Lil bro, speak to me with respect.